Okay, we're cleaning the fridge. we are cleaning the fridge. I'm not tipsy. I'm not tipsy. I'm good. Peace. Oh, I broke my glass. Okay, so can you see the fridge? Can you see it? Should I put you guys inside the fridge? So I'm going to bring out everything inside the fridge, okay? Oh, so laughing. These are not, they are not dirty. I'm trying this one. I think I need to sleep. Entering the fridge is cold. Oh! I didn't off it. Oh, it's so... Ah, it's so cold! Jesus! The fridge is so cold. I've always wanted to know what it feels like to enter inside a deep freezer. I'll just keep it here. Okay, so now this. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I'm sleeping. It's so cold. I'm tired. If I get locked inside the fridge, there's nobody that can come and save me. Only Jesus. Oh, it's so cold. I think